Greetings and welcome, or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we've been doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders, and we are currently in the book of Acts. So, if you want more people to build their faith by hearing the Word of God, just click the like button. Drop a comment below and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the book we name Acts chapter 9 from verse 36 to verse 42. Now you did have one woman we believe in a Jesus. We live at Joppa. She did name Tabitha, but in a Greek she named Dorcas. She did ever do good and help poor people. While Peter did their leader, she take sick and dead. Them wash her body and put it in our upstairs room. Leader never far from Joppa. So when the people will believe in a Jesus hear say Peter did their leader, them send 2 men to him with one message. Say, hurry up, come here quick. So Peter get up same time and go with them. When he catch them, then carry him upstairs to the room. All of the woman them who for husband did dead, turn upside him a ball and I show him all of the clothes them with Dorcas used to make when she did alive. Peter sent all of them out of the room. Then him go down upon him knee and pray to God. Then him turn to the dead woman and say, Tabitha, get up. She woke Maria them. And when she see Peter, she sit up. Him hold her hand and help her turn up. Then him call all of God people and the woman them who for husband them did dead too. And show them say, Dorcas come back alive. People all over Joppa hear about what happened and turn to the Lord. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.